following counties in California, Butte and Glenn. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Butte County in Northern California, Northeastern Glenn County in Central California until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:42 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bend, or 10 miles east of Orland, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Chico, Nord, and Hamilton City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California, Butte and Glenn.
Okay, and it is now 4:51, so we'll get your traffic and weather. You just heard the big weather news there. Dana Hess on the KFBK